Now, this truly must be one of the most beautiful princess crowns I have ever seen. It is not too big, not too bold, but just offers the perfect amount of sparkle to uplift you and elevate your bridal style to feel like a gorgeous princess. I would highly recommend this design for a church wedding or a traditional, maybe even barn wedding or an outdoor garden wedding, something where the sparkle, the light will capture the sparkle and you will truly shine like a diamond on your big day. So take a look at our full collection of gorgeous luxurious headpieces made by a qualified team with over 40 years jewelry making experience. And let us know if you have any questions. We are My Soulmate Wedding on Etsy, and we love to help our brides feel confident and adored on their big day. Have a beautiful day.